Hare Krishna students, please open your book, page number 26. See, question number 1. Okay. What is written? Select an appropriate word. That means you have to choose the number according to subject. First, I want to remember you. That's why I send again one more video for that Sankhya. Okay, so you can understand again nicely. You no need to write again, but you can watch that video, that before video what I sent. Now I want to show you that wherever you will see that subject will be feminine gender, then number also will be feminine gender. Okay, when you will see that subject will be feminine gender Dvachan, that means definitely Sankhya will be feminine gender Dve. Okay, when you will see it is neuter gender, then Sankhya will be neuter gender. When you will see subject will be masculine gender, Sankhya will be masculine gender. For one or two you can understand, but for Bahuvachan you cannot understand, because from 3 onward it is called Bahuvachan. For 1 Ekavachanam, for 2 Dvivachanam, but for 3 also Bahuvachanam, for 300 Bahuvachanam, for 3 crore Bahuvachanam, so all are Bahuvachanam. So for that you have to follow only the gender. If it is masculine gender, then choose masculine one. Like see, Sorire Dve Nayane Bhavatah. Dve Nayane. So this Dve, it is mentioned to Nayane. Okay, that's why Nayane, you know Nayanam is neuter gender. That's why remember Ekam Dve. That's why you have to choose Dve, not Dvo. Now see next one, Kanya. Kanya, Kanye, Kanyaha. As same as Lata Sabdarup. Am I right? That means it is feminine gender. So you have to choose Chatasraha. Remember Eka, Dve, Tisraha, Chatasraha. That's why Chatasraha. Okay, because feminine gender. Now see Bhuje. Okay, you know Bhuja, Bhuje, Bhujaha. So like Lata, Late, Lataha. So feminine gender. Bhuja, feminine gender. Akar is there. That's why Eka, Dve. That's why Dve. Understand? Now see Aswaha. Ashaha, Ashwau, Aswaha. Aswaha is gender, masculine gender. Aswaha, Visarga is there, that's why masculine gender. Aswaha, Ashwau, Aswaha. That's why Trayaha, Aswaha. Understand? Now I want to say you that you will not follow this subject. Okay, subject or pronoun you will not follow. You will follow this one. That means which things are mentioning. I am having one pencil. What I am having? I am having 2, or I am having 2 pencil. That means pencil are 2. That means that Sankhya is mentioning the pencil here. Am I right? So you have to think about the pencil, that which gender it is. Understand? So here also same thing. You will not see this side. You will see only that side. That Sankhya is mentioning which things. Means how many things are? How many Nayan? How many Kanya? How many Bhuja? How many Aswaha? So the Sankhya is mentioning these things. So how many these things are there? It is like this. So that's why you have to see these things with gender. Okay, with gender we will see this one, not that one. Okay, we will follow this one with gender, with gender, with gender, with gender. According to this, we have to choose and write. Now next one, match the following. As same way you can match. See, ekah, you can understand this is masculine gender. Ekah kapotah. See, no other is there. Singha masculine gender, but it is bahuvachan, not ekah, not singular. Chatasraha feminine gender, bahuvachanam. See, I write mohilaha. Okay, because it is feminine gender, mohila also feminine gender. Sapta dinani, that means 7 days. It is common. And for sapta, we cannot say the gender because all gender same group from 5 onward. Now dvau, ekaha dvau, that means definitely masculine gender. That's why chhatro, chhatraha, chhatro. Now trayaha, masculine gender, bahuvachanam. That's why singhaha. Okay, trayaha, singhaha. Now say chatwari. Chatwari neuter gender. Ekam, due, trini, chatwari. So neuter gender. That's why chatwari phalani. Okay. Now say number 3. Fill in an appropriate word. That means here also you have to choose the answer. Etani dash pustakani asti. Here also same things. You have to see this side one, that which gender. Pustakani, you know neuter gender. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani. So neuter gender, bahuvachanam. Now see, chatwari. I am choosing chatwari. You can choose here trini. Then also it is correct. Okay, we can exchange. You can write chatwari here and trini there. Okay, then also it is right because chatwari also neuter gender bahuvachan, trini also neuter gender bahuvachan. See, ekam, due, trini, chatwari. Trini, chatwari. Trini, chatwari. So just frequently I choose this chatwari here and trini here because it is fast. That's why I choose here. Etani chatwari pustakani santi. Okay, but if you change, it is grammatically correct. So I will give correct only, no problem. But you can write this way only. Because I write that, so you can write like this way. Etani chatwari pustakani santi. Okay, so these all are 4 books. Dvau bhataro stah. Why dvau? Because bhataro. Bhrata mane bhai, definitely masculine gender. Brother, masculine gender. That's why ekaha dvau. Okay, that's why 2. 2 brother na. That's why. So those 2 are brothers. Rama trini phalani anayati. Phalani. So how many phalani? Phalam, phale, phalani. Definitely bahuvachan. That's why I choose trini. Before I told I can choose 4 also. That if I chose 4, then 4 phalani means 4 fruits. Rama is bringing 4 fruits. I wrote here trini. That's why meaning is Rama is bringing 3 fruits. Anayati means bringing. Okay. And staha means asti staha. That means R2. R2. Is R, you know na, is plural form is R. So asti means is and staha means R. And this is Dvivachan, that's why R2. In Sanskrit there is Dvivachan. That's why it is little different than English. You cannot match with English language. All languages are different. Now, tatra eka sandika asti. Sandika means kursi, that means chair. Okay. Eka. Sandika. See, akar. That's why feminine gender. That's why I choose eka. No other feminine gender are here. That's why I choose eka, sandika. Akar, akar. Match. Both are feminine gender. Now go to next one. Look at the picture and write an appropriate numeral. That means you have to see the picture, then you have to count it, how many are there, then you have to write. But definitely you have to think the gender. Follow the gender. How many elephants are there? 1, 2. So 2. And elephant call in Sanskrit Gajaha. What? Gajaha. Visarga is there. That's why masculine gender. Gajaha. So two. So like balakaha balakau. So gajaha gajau. See gajau. That's why ekaha dvau. Dvau gajau. Understand? Ekaha dvau. Dvau na. That's why dvau gajau. Masculine gender. Now see flower. Flower call in Sanskrit pushpo. Pushpam, pushpe, pushpani. Pushpam, pushpe. Pushpam is neuter gender. So dvivachan pushpe. So neuter gender dvivachan ekam dve. Say dve pushpe. Okay, follow the gender only. That's all. Pustakani. Again same. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani. Pustakam. Malayalam, neuter gender. So, pustakani, that means many books. That's why count 1, 2, 3, 4. So, chatvari pustakani. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari. See, chatvari, chatvari. Say the pronunciation with me. Chatvari, chatvari pustakani. Now go to next page. Now see here. How many girls are here? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 girls are here. That means feminine gender. So 3 in feminine gender. Remember. Eka, dve. What? Tisraha. Eka, dve, tisraha. So tisraha. Definitely Visarga will be there. Don't think Visarga means masculine gender. Tisraha roop only like this. Here in feminine gender also Visarga is there. This is separate thing, not the subject. Don't do the means hodgepodge with subject rules. This is something else. Sankhya. It is under the pronoun. You know in English also that Sankhya also pronoun. So tisraha kanyaha. So 3 girls. Chatvaraha naraha. Men are there. 4 men are there. So remember ekaha, dau, trayaha, chatvaraha. So chatvaraha. See chatvaraha naraha. Masculine gender. Ajaha. Ajoha, ajau, ajaha. Again ajoha, ajau, ajaha. Ajoha. That means masculine gender. Visarga is there. That's why ekaha, dau, trayaha. See trayaha. Trayaha ajaha. Understand? 3. You can see count. 1 mother and her baby and then another one. So 1, 2, 3. So trayaha ajaha. Now go to next one and last one. Color the pictures and write their names. Color the pictures and write their name. I will suggest you no need to color in your book. Okay? No need to color. Okay? Only write the name. So you can cut this part. Up to end you can cut. Only write their names. Okay? And already there is name. You have to choose. See, it is banana. So kadali phalam. Okay? Now see the next one. I wrote here khirakam. Actually this is cucumber. You can see it is cucumber. In Bengali we are telling na shasha. That is called in English cucumber. You know that. But in Sanskrit you don't know. Please know today. This is called khirakam. That's why in Sanskrit it is called khira. Am I right, Hindi students? This is called khira or khire. Like this it is telling in Hindi. So that khira or khire, this word came from Sanskrit because Sanskrit is the mother language, you know that. So from mother only daughter came. So from Sanskrit only Hindi came. So from khirakam only khira or khire came. Okay. So khirakam means cucumber. Now see the next one. What is the picture? 2 fruits are there. See. Maybe these 2 are papaya. It is look like papaya only. So these 2 are 2 fruits. So say again. Phalam, phale. Am I right? Phalam, phale. So it is phale. Now say the sankhya. Ekam, dve. That's why Dwefale, and it is written here, Dwefale. Now, next one. This is a rose, a beautiful rose. My favorite flower is rose. And what is yours? This is my favorite flower. Really my favorite. And whose favorite is this? Please raise your hand. Okay. Now you have to know that rose Sanskrit. You know in Bengali that golab, or in Hindi gulab. But in Sanskrit it is called Patala Puspam. What? Patala Puspam. Patala Puspam means rose. See, it is written here. So, this was your main syllabus. Am I right? From next day, I'll take little test, and I'll take, I'll give little CW also, but very few CW, and with CW I'll take test. Okay. You can see the syllabus. I sent first day your syllabus. Okay.